It's 11 p.m. I'm sitting in my car. I just got off work and my body is exhausted. But even more, I'm mentally drained. I cannot keep doing this. I cannot keep working at Walmart. It is killing me. I had to deal with customers I did not want to deal with, fake smiling in their faces. And then I go in the cooler while I'm stocking milk and dealing with the cleanup, all that stuff. And that's the only time I can really just be dead-faced. And then I go back out on the floor and it was so draining. I hated working at Walmart. And it was those moments where I was sitting in my car where I was really thinking, I cannot continue doing this. I am not happy being here. I'm never going to be happy in a position like this. And that's what led me to getting serious about my personal development and really going in on how can I start a business? How can I make money online? What do I need to know? What do I need to learn? That led me to developing my skills, to getting more knowledgeable about what I want to teach, and finally having the confidence to get on YouTube and post my content and actually get clients and work with them and figure out how can I help them, and then go through the anxiety of, can I really help them? You know? That's what 8 hours of fake smiling will do to you. And as ambitious people, that's kind of what we need. Like, I'm glad I went through that hard moment because that put a sense of urgency inside of me. Like, okay, well, now I need to tighten up. Because imagine if I was in a place where I was smiling for real and everything was cool and everything was chill and I don't feel like, oh, I hate going here. Like, it was fun. I'd be comfortable in that position. I would be sitting in my car thinking, things have got to change. I cannot do this. Like, I wouldn't be thinking that. I'd be like, today was such a good day. I can't wait to see my friends again. Like, we're gonna be cool. My friend, it's really gonna be cool. And I would go home and take my jolly tail to the couch and sit down and watch TV and then go to sleep and then go back to work. Hi guys. Like, I want to have a nice driven. So I'm so grateful that I went through that. And if you're ambitious, I'm not saying you have to go through that, but I'm saying it can put a level of drive inside of you that you might not have right now. Or maybe you don't need that drive right now. Maybe you have it. Maybe you're just watching this because you relate to it. Maybe you've been through this too. I don't know. But ultimately, that time when I was at Walmart showed me that I was not happy where I was. I realized that something wasn't working and that I need to change. And ultimately, that's what I want you to accept. That something isn't working. You're not happy where you are. You don't want to be there anymore. You're ambitious. You have that voice of ambition in you. You know you can do more. You know you can do better. And you know what to do. But the problem is that you haven't accepted that things have got to change. You haven't accepted the sacrifices you're going to have to make. You haven't accepted the person you have to be. Because there's some belief inside of you that things are okay. Things are okay, but they're not. Things are not working. You gotta look around and wake up to the reality of things. If you don't save yourself, no one is going to save you. And I'm sorry that this turned so grim, but that's the truth. That's the reality. The reason I haven't given up is because I know if I give up, that's it. It's over. The minute I stop, that's the minute things go down. And this doesn't mean I'm like obsessive over it. This doesn't mean I'm like, I have to do everything and if it's meltdown. But it's that I'm aware that it's my hand ultimately that's going to determine my fate. So I'm going to play my hand every single day. I'm not going to stress over what I'm playing, but I'm going to play it. I'm going to make decisions that benefit me. Because I know what's not working. I know I don't want to be here. I'm going to change it. It really all comes down to taking control. Taking back that control. And you can do that. You know, you can get whatever you want. You do know that, right? I like to think about the the brothers, what were the names? The Wright brothers, right? I think about the Wright brothers and how everybody told them, like, the airplane could not be made, nothing could happen, you're not going to be able to do it, but yet they did it. And I think about how the Wright brothers have a human brain, right? So they created an airplane in a time where that was so beyond, like, that was so beyond it. Like, what? They did that with the human brain. Their brain. Now, I have a human brain. So if a human brain is capable of creating an airplane, something that no one that could ever exist, and even more, the iPhone, a human brain created this. This has revolutionized the world. A human brain, and I have a human brain. So if a human brain is capable of creating such great things, and I have one, that means I have the power to create such great things. So I'm going to create those things. And you do too. Like, I want that to really click. You have a human brain. So you have the power to do whatever you want. Even if it isn't there yet. Even if everybody's telling you it can't happen. We've heard so many stories, people saying it can't be done, and it got done. Why? Because this brain can do whatever. It can do whatever. And you have one. So you can do whatever. You can create whatever. And does that mean it will be immediate? No. But if you hold a vision in your mind and you work on it every single day, you will get there. And that's as simple as I can make it. Now, we got this far to end the video, and you're rocking what I say, you're rocking what I'm talking about, and you want to reach your goals and live out that ambition you have within you, but you don't know where to start. I've got a starter kit to help you get your life together. It's the only link in my description. You can go click that, check it out. If you don't want it, don't worry about it. But if it's something that's interesting to you, it's there. Ultimately, I want you to have the belief in yourself that you can make whatever you want happen. I want you to believe that everything works out in the end. And I want you to understand that if the life you have isn't what you want, you can change it. You're not a tree. You're not stuck. You can change it. But that comes down to realizing it's not working. You gotta look into the reality of things. Look at the facts. Look around. Are you truly happy? Or are you merely getting by? And if you're happy, then now the next question is, are you happy or are you comfortable? And there's no problem with being happy, but my opinions on happy are different. Because it's like happiness isn't one thing. It's the emotions you feel, it's the engagement you have, it's the relationships you have, it's the meaning you experience, it's the sense of accomplishment you have. But that's for a different video. I'm not gonna make this video any longer. But I will ask, if you've been watching me like for the past couple days, you've been here, like you've watched 3 or 4 videos, let me know. Because I'm interested in how many people are returning to the videos. So let me know. I'm not normally on YouTube. I stay off as much as I can. But I'm going to be on it for this week to see. And then after this week, I'm not going to be on it again. So leave your comment now. And I'll see it. All right.